guys, it's Jack. Maybe at some point you've wanted to become a better rider for your horse. I think we all have. We want to be able to give really clear, concise cues and have plenty of stamina and fitness and balance and all this great stuff, which is tied to our own fitness. And so you all have been asking me for years to come up with a rider fitness program to go along with my horse fitness programs, and I've finally done that. You can find it on my online school. It's called Rider Fitness, and it's a 30-day program that you have unlimited access to. Once you pay for the course, you can visit it as many times as you want. It's self-paced. It is designed to be done in a month, but if you don't get it done in a month, you can just carry on and keep doing it. You don't need any special equipment. It's very easy to integrate these exercises. They're both riding exercises and unmounted workout exercises at your home that are effective for creating rider fitness. So it's not going to give you the fitness to go run a marathon or something like that. It's very targeted for riders and the stability and balance muscles that we need. So check it out, Rider Fitness. I've had many of you sign up already, and I'm looking forward to getting more of you on board. So check it out. We'll see you soon.